Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the latest Gcam camera mode, which is the Ultra CVM latest build for any Android device. So as you can see here, in this camera mode we have all dedicated camera sensor modes like ultra wide mode, macro camera, and any other sensor you have in your camera module. So this camera is pretty stable and working perfectly. Every single feature is working. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me show you its version, which is the Arnoma 5.2, and it is based on the 7.3 Gcam 7.3, and it is fully working and personalized Gcam mode, working almost on every single device, and the dedicated camera modes are also working like macro camera. You can also enable the telescope, wide angle, and it is working, but in some devices it is not working perfectly, so it depends on the device which you have. And the image quality of this is also good, and in the options we have flashlight option. You can enable or disable the Google AWP. You can control the RAW or JPG motion and timer, and you can also change the ratio, and you can also change the image quality to high or medium. And in the video you can enable or disable the flashlight, and you can manage the frames per second from right here. No need to go into the settings. And the portrait mode is also working on front or back. And here we also have the dedicated camera sensor lenses, and here we have face retouching, AWM, and all other settings like camera. Then we have the night mode. Here we also have wide angle and macro lens. From here at the top you can enable or disable the astro mode from right here, and you can also change the astro max time, which is the first one is the auto, second one is the 3 second, or I don't know what is this, 3 seconds or 3 minutes. Then we have 8 and 10 minutes. You can also enable or disable the Google AWB for this, and you can change the focus settings like near, auto, far, or infinity. This is a really good feature. And in the more we have panorama, photosphere, and slow motion, which is working fine. You can change its speed from right here, and you can enable or disable the flashlight from the top drop down menu. And here we also have the time lapse, which is working fine. Slow motion is working good. And now let's dig into the settings. And the settings, first of all we have the advanced settings. From here you can enable some warnings, and you can also enable the social media depth features to directly share the images to your social media. And after it you can manage the Ultra CVM settings. From here you can manage tone settings and shutter control, LIB patcher, gamma curve, and exposure settings, front camera setting, back camera setting, wide camera settings, and macro camera settings. Then you can change the AUX lenses, like you can enable telephoto camera, macro camera, and wide camera sensor modes for your home screen. After it you can manage the image quality, full resolution or medium resolution. Then we have the video section. From here you can enable the 4K video resolution with the optical video stabilization if your camera supports 4K video recording. So this was the review. Now if you want to install this camera on your Android device, let's move to the installation. So first of all you need to download the Ultra CVM camera mode from the link in the description, and also download the configuration XML file for your Android device. Like I am using the Redmi Note 8 and I downloaded the configuration XML file for the Redmi Note 8. You can download it from your device. Just install the Ultra CVM camera mode APK file like normal APK files. After installing it, just click on the open button, and first you have to do some settings. Just go into the setting and scroll down, go into the advanced settings. Just scroll down and click on the save button. It will create a, click on OK, it will create a new separate folder for the XML files of your camera. Now just copy the downloaded configuration XML file and go to your internal storage, go into the Gcam folder. In the Gcam you will see config 7 folder. Go into the config 7 folder, and here you just have to paste the downloaded or copied XML configuration file. I already copied. I am going to rename it. After copying the file into the config 7 folder, go back and open up the camera again, and between the shutter plus gallery icon, tap 2 times and choose configs menu will be opened. From here just open up the recently copied XML file and click on the load button or update button. The settings will be installed successfully and the camera is ready to use. So this was the video of how you can get the Ultra CVM latest Gcam mode on your Android device. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe.